There are thousands of iOS apps to choose from, so many, in fact, that it can be hard to suss out which ones are worth trying. Whether you're an experienced iPhone user or someone who has recently left Android for iOS, finding the perfect app for, say, sending email or checking the weather or jotting notes or playing a relaxing game is no easy task. You have a multitude of options, and with the App Store serving up ads in some search results, it's even more difficult to discern which apps are the best. Luckily, we have tried more apps than you can imagine and have been using iPhone since 2007. To help you out, we've made this ultimate guide of the best iPhone apps. Download any one of these, and you won't be disappointed. We've arranged everything by category, so it should be easy to digest. Best Apps Categories: R and VR, non-games, books, audiobooks, and podcasts, cloud storage, education, dating and relationships, film and TV, finance, food, games, messaging, health and fitness, photo and video, music, productivity, security, social media, shopping, travel and transportation, smart home, weather. Link of all these apps available in the description. R and VR, non-games apps. Google Cardboard. Google Cardboard is an app that works with Google Cardboard compatible VR headsets, also called viewers, and your iPhone. It not only helps you set up a cardboard viewer but also includes a few VR experiences to get you started. Giphy World. This AR-powered app lets you overlay GIFs onto the real world and share your creations with friends. Imagine drawing in the air with cat GIFs. IKEA Place. IKEA Place lets you virtually see 3D, true-to-scale IKEA products in your space. It includes most of IKEA's catalog, like sofas and chairs, and helps you to better understand the furniture's size, design, and functionality in your home. Ink Hunter. R can help you plan your next tattoo. Ink Hunter lets you preview what a tattoo might look like on your skin. Just draw a marker on yourself, and point your device camera on marker, and the app will show the design at every angle. MeasureKit. Although Apple now offers a Measure app directly in iOS, there are alternatives. LIKD MeasureKit, which has 9R tools: ruler, magnetometer, trajectory, face mesh, marker pin, angles, person height, cube, and level. Skywalk. Starwalk is a popular stargazing app. It's an interactive guide to the night sky, following your every movement in real time and allowing you to explore over 200,000 celestial bodies and get access to information about anything you find. Vuforia Chalk. Vuforia Chalk combines live video, audio, and the ability for a remote person to annotate their live view. Annotations accurately stick to real-world objects, even when people move around. Imagine, for instance, using this as a field technician. WallaMe. WallaMe allows you to draw messages and hide them in the real world. You can leave the message anywhere, and they're only visible to your friends, though you can search for other hidden messages using a map interface. Cloud storage apps. Apple iCloud Drive. This is Apple's own cloud storage service. Documents, media, and folders that you store in iCloud Drive stay up to date across all of your Apple devices, so you can access them from your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Mac, or PC, and on iCloud.com. You get 5 GB of space for free to start. Dropbox. Dropbox lets you store files and folders to the cloud and share them, scan docs, and collaborate with others, with everything safely synced across all your devices, so you can access it anytime, anywhere. You get 2 GB of space for free to start. Google Drive. Google Drive is similar to Dropbox, only you get 15 GB free to start, and it directly supports Google's entire product portfolio. You can see your Google Photos or Google Docs files, for instance, and invite others to view, edit, or leave comments. Dating and relationships apps. Bumble. It's a dating app similar to Tinder. Only, with Bumble, women make the first move so that all users can form relationships in a more respectful way. OKCupid. OKCupid is all about rich profiles, where you can show off your personality and interests. You can answer thousands of questions about yourself, or just a few, and its algorithm will help you connect with people who share your passions. Tinder. Tinder is a really popular dating app. It works like this: match, chat, date. You swipe right on a profile picture, profile to like someone, or use the swipe left feature to pass. If someone likes you back, it's a match whom you can chat. Grindr. Grindr is a social networking and chat app for gay, bi, trans, and queer people. It's not as fully featured or pretty as, say, Tinder, but it's still the know. One option for the LGBTQ community. Finance apps. Acorns. Acorns is an investment app that automatically invests your spare change. It's for the novice investor who doesn't understand the market. Affirm. Get approved quickly for short-term loans in the US that you can spend practically anywhere on the web, from Lowe's to Walmart. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets available, as it supports a range of different ones, including Bitcoin. For instance, it makes it easy to securely buy, use, store, and accept Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum and Litecoin. Credit Karma. You've probably seen the commercials. They're legit. Credit Karma lets you see your credit profile without dinging your credit, get credit monitoring, check out personalized recommendations, even file your taxes for free. Mint. Want to see how you spend your money? Mint is the free money management and financial tracker app that bring together your bank accounts, credit cards, bills, and investments and see what you're spending and where you can save money. Robinhood. Robinhood lets you buy and sell stocks and exchange traded funds without paying a commission. You can start a portfolio and invest in your favorite companies. Like Acorns, it's meant for novice investors who want to buy and trade. Square Cash. Ever ask your mom to pick something up at the store? With this, you can deposit money instantly into her Square Cash wallet or her bank account. There may be some small fees associated. You can even buy and sell Bitcoin with this app. Venmo. Venmo is like Square Cash, but with a social layer. You can add notes to your payments for others to see, and like or comment on friends' stories. Games apps. Alto's Odyssey. This is a sequel app to Odyssey Adventure. You play the role of a snowboarder, flying down an endless, gorgeous landscape. While Adventure had players on a cold mountain, Odyssey throws in some pastures and desert landscapes. Clash Royale. Clash Royale is a tower rush game in which you can duel players from around the world in real time in both 1v1 and 2v2 battles. The objective 3 minutes into the game is to destroy opposing towers as well as the King Tower. Fortnite. This is a battle royale game where you squad up and compete to be the last one standing in 100-player PvP. You're supposed to build cover, battle your opponents, and survive the longest to earn your victory. Fortnite. This is a battle royale game where you squad up and compete to be the last one standing in 100-player PvP. You're supposed to build cover, battle your opponents, and survive the longest to earn your victory. Hearthstone. With this card battler, you're the hero who uses cards to sling spells, summon minions, and seize control of the battlefield. You can jump right in, build your deck, hone your skills, and fight for glory in the arena and duel players. Lego R Studio. Lego R Studio is an R app that lets you play with virtual Lego toys and sets in your real-world environment. You can move and position everything, learn details about your set, and try movie making. You control the entire experience. Monument Valley. This is a sequel to 2014's Monument Valley. It's an indie puzzle game, where the goal is to guide Ro and her child through mazes, optical illusions, and impossible objects in order to complete the puzzle. Pokémon Go. This game put mobile R experiences on the map in 2016. It allows you to be a trainer who can search for Pokémon in the real world, as well as do catching, hatching, evolving, and more. You can even compete in epic gym battles. PUBG Mobile. This is a Fortnite-like battle royale game in which 100 players parachute onto a remote island. Players have to locate and scavenge their own weapons, vehicles, and supplies, and defeat every player to be the last one standing. Sky, children of the light. Fly across sprawling landscapes to help celestial beings find their way back to the heavens in this jaw-dropping social quest. Threes. Threes is an indie puzzle game where the player slides numbered tiles on a grid to combine addends and multiples of 3. The game ends when there are no moves left on the grid and the tiles are counted for a final score. Wizards Unite. Harry Potter, Wizards Unite is an augmented reality (AR) mobile game that will see you immersed into the wizarding world. You will become a witch or wizard, walking among muggles, defending the international statute of wizarding secrecy to ensure that the world remains a secret. Health and fitness apps. Clue. Clue is a period tracker app that uses science to help you discover patterns in your menstrual cycle, get personalized reminders about your period, PMS, ovulation, and fertility, and track everything from your mood to exercise. Couch to 5K. Ever wish you were a runner? Then check out the official Couch to 5K training app. It says if you spend just 20 to 30 minutes running 3 times a week for 9 weeks, you'll be ready to finish your first 5K 3.1-mile race. C25K. C25K is another Couch to 5K program. Like the others, it mixes running and walking, gradually building up your strength and stamina. Fertility Friend. Fertility Friend is another fertility tracker. It has an advanced ovulation calculator, menstrual calendar, fertility chart, and period tracker. Its aim is to help you get pregnant, with personalized trying-to-conceive tips and analysis. Headspace. Headspace is a guided meditation app. The Basics course is completely free and will teach you the fundamental techniques of meditation and mindfulness. After that, with a subscription, you can access the full Headspace meditation library. Lose It. Lose It is a weight loss program. You simply download the app, set your goal, and track the foods to lose weight. MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal, which is integrated with Under Armour's apps and devices, helps you track food, create goals, log exercise, and get support. Pocket Yoga. Pocket Yoga will guide you through an entire yoga session. It offers different ones with varying difficulty and helps you to learn all the poses. Runkeeper. Runkeeper helps those of you with an Apple Watch or a wearable like Fitbit track your workouts with GPS, set goals, see progress, and more. Runtastic. This is another GPS-supported running app that lets you track distance, time, speed, elevation, calories burned, and other stats. Sleep Cycle. Sleep Cycle is an intelligent alarm clock that tracks your sleep patterns and decides to when to wake you up in light sleep, the natural way. Strava Running and Cycling. Strava not only lets you track your run but also activities like swimming, hiking, CrossFit, gym training, surfing, yoga, and more. The Mindfulness App. This is a meditation app with a guided practice, timed sessions, reminders, and stats so you can keep track of your meditation journey. Think Dirty quickly scan or look up any product in your house and find out whether it's full of toxic chemicals and carcinogens. Warning, you will be shocked. This app basically helps you to shop cleanly. Daily Yoga. Daily Yoga offers over 500 asanas, 200 guided classes of yoga, Pilates, and meditation, 50 workout plans, and even coaches' workshops. Zombies Run. Think of this as a guided running app, but with it, you hear zombies all around you. So, there's only one thing you can do: run. Music apps. Apple Music. This is Apple's music subscription service built into its devices. With it, you can stream practically any tune you've ever wanted to hear. GarageBand. Apple's GarageBand turns your iPad and iPhone into a recording studio, so you can create and mix music, or even be a DJ, while on the go. Pandora. Pandora is a classic music app that's basically a digital radio. It lets you create stations from your favorite songs, artists, or genres. SoundCloud. SoundCloud is a music and audio streaming platform with over 180 million tracks. It lets you upload audio and find new music, all in one place. Spotify. Spotify is like Apple Music, only it's not tied to Apple devices, and there is a freemium tier that lets you listen to stations and playlists with ads. Security apps. 1Password. This is a password manager. It remembers all your passwords for you, lets you generate passwords, and easily signs you into sites and apps. NordVPN. Traveling to a foreign country? Or just want to browse in peace at home? With this app, you can enjoy safe and private internet access and secure your Wi-Fi connections against various cyber threats. There's a free trial to start. Onion Browser. Onion Browser is the original free and open-source Tor-powered web browser that helps you access the internet with more safety and privacy. Shopping apps. Amazon. We all know what Amazon is, and with this app, you can easily shop it from your mobile device. It even lets you access Alexa and scan products. ASOS. The ASOS app claims to be home to more than 850 brands and over 85,000 products, mostly clothing. It offers free delivery and return options. Etsy. Interested in buying or browsing handmade, vintage, and one-of-a-kind goods? Then you need to use Etsy. Houzz. Houzz is your one-stop shop for improving and designing your home. Browse inspirational photos, view and buy products, hire and collaborate with professionals, get advice, read articles, and more with this handy home decor app. IKEA Catalogue. Want to browse IKEA's latest product catalog, create a mood board, and test out IKEA furniture in your space? Look no further. Overstock. Overstock is like Amazon, but it's overstock, obviously. Shop sales, try out furniture in our checkout with Apple Pay, and more. Screenshop. This app lets you shop any screenshot to easily create looks for less. In practice, it's not perfect, but the concept is still amazing. ShopStyle. ShopStyle enables you to buy clothing, shoes, sneakers, and entire outfits from practically every designer you've ever heard about. Wayfair. If home goods is your thing, Wayfair claims to house the world's largest selection of home goods, with prices ranging from cheap to wow. It also has a new 3D view in room feature that lets you see virtual items in your space. eBay. Love eBay? Then you'll love the eBay app. It lets you use your camera to search for items, scan barcodes, and manage your account. Smart home apps. Amazon Alexa. Own an Alexa device? Then you need this app to set it up, manage your profile, find skills, and do just about anything Alexa related. Google Home. What the Alexa app is to Alexa devices, the Google Home app is to Google Home and Chromecast devices. It's a must-have for Assistant users. Apple Home. This is Apple's smart home app, built directly into iOS. Use it to control all your accessories, put your smart house on autopilot, and more. IFTTT. IFTTT is less relevant now that Apple has the Shortcuts app, but with it, you can essentially connect and automate all your online services. Shortcuts. Shortcuts is Apple's built-in iOS tool that lets you easily get more tasks done with your apps. For example, Apple said you can build a surf time shortcut that grabs the surf report, gives an ETA to the beach, and launches your music playlist.